In life, we all have to make choices, whether it is to chase our dreams or to find a great place to eat. Sometimes, the need to make a choice happens all too suddenly. And we have to make sure it's the right one. When you choose ICICI Lombard, you lay your worries down. Whether you have a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, we have your vehicle insured. We are with you through difficult times and situations till the end. You can take your vehicle to any garage of your choice for repair. For a hassle-free experience, we recommend you to take your vehicle to one of our partner garages for a cashless settlement. With cashless claim, you don't have to worry about the repair payment. The repair expenses are paid directly to the partner garage. You only need to pay for the expenses not covered. As an added benefit of choosing our partner garage, the rest of the process of the claim will be taken care of by us. The advantages don't stop here. You also get a 6-month guarantee on all repairs. For your ease, there are multiple ways to let us know about this incident. You can choose to intimate us through our app. The IL TakeCare app will take care of your motor claim process starting from reporting a claim, tracking progress, all the way till the settlement of your claim. Tap on Claims in the homepage. Select the motor policy and tap on Report a Claim. Download the app now for a seamless experience. You can also call us on our toll-free number 1800-2666 and follow simple IVR instructions to get your claim registered. Another easy way to claim your motor insurance is through WhatsApp. Simply send a hi to us in the number provided and choose the right options. Once your claim number is generated, you can start tracking your claim status on our IL TakeCare app or through WhatsApp. So, you have intimated the claim. In the next step, a claim manager is assigned to you. You can now immediately upload the supporting documents on IL TakeCare app. You can also upload the documents via WhatsApp or share it with your claim manager. After the documents are uploaded, the inspection process begins. The claim manager can assign a surveyor to inspect your car. But as customer ease is always the top priority at ICICI Lombard, we have eliminated the need for a physical survey with IL TakeCare app's InstaSpect. Through InstaSpect, you can get an instant inspection of your vehicle via a video call with your surveyor. The surveyor examines your vehicle to assess the extent of the damages, while also getting your documents verified in this process. InstaSpect's outcome is instant approval. Once the vehicle reaches the garage, the repair begins. As the vehicle is being repaired, you can track the claim on IL TakeCare app or WhatsApp. Once the repair is completed, you will immediately receive an SMS on your registered mobile number. The garage will then send the repair bill to the claim manager. Your claim manager adds the deductions to the repair bill and calculates the final amount. Your claim amount is then finalized. If you have chosen one of our partner garages, the payment process is cashless. You will only have to pay for the expense not covered in your policy. For non-partner garages, you pay the full amount at the garage and get the amount reimbursed. Once the final bill is cleared, the vehicle is back in your hands. Make your journey happy and safe and your claims fully hassle-free with ICICI Lombard.